Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload high quality images in WordPress. Now, before we do that, I have to notify you that in order to use a lot of features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for the paid subscription that costs $40. Now, as you can see, I don't have this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to complete this task successfully. Now let's dive into these steps. The first step is to prepare your images. Use softwares like Photoshop or Canva to optimize images. You can download the Photoshop app from Adobe right here, the website, or you can go to Canva and use this for free. Canva is a website, you can use this for free. And after that, save the design you made in appropriate formats, JPEG for photos and PNG for transparent graphics. Second step is to configure media settings. And to do that, just go to wordpress.com and enter your account credentials and log in. After login, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to media right in the left sidebar right here next to the camera icon and click on it. Set maximum upload sizes in your hosting's control panel if limits exist. And the third step is to upload the images. Use the media add new right here option or insert images directly into post pages or pages. And after that you can select the full either full size to maintain quality during insertion. Now for the fourth step is to enhance image loading. Install Smush or Imagify for image compression without quality loss. And enable lazy loading to improve page speed. For additional tips, you can use a CDN, a content delivery network, for faster global delivery, or maintain consistent image dimensions for professional look. And that's it. That's how you upload high quality images on WordPress. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.